In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Godaddy domain with Google Workspace. There are a few steps that you need to follow, and you will be able to connect it seamlessly. First of all, make sure that you are signed in to your Godaddy account. If you are not, just click on Sign In and enter your login credentials. In the next step, we need to access DNS management. Once you are logged in, navigate to the My Products page. Under the Domains section, find the domain you want to connect and click on DNS or Manage DNS. Now, it's time to add MX records for Google Workspace. In the DNS management page, click on Add to create a new DNS record. Select MX from the Type dropdown. Enter this in the Host field, and in the Points To field, enter this, set the priority to 1, and click Save to add the record. Repeat this process to add the following MX records with their corresponding priorities. Next, we need to verify domain ownership in Google Workspace. Go to the Google Workspace admin console and log in. Navigate to Domains and click Manage Domains. Select Verify Domain and choose the DNS verification method. Google will provide a verification code. Go back to your Godaddy DNS management page and add a new TXT record. For the host, enter @ and paste the verification code into the TXT value field. Set the TTL to 1 hour and save the TXT record. Return to Google Workspace to complete the verification. Finally, we need to finalize the email setup in Google Workspace. In the admin console, navigate to Apps, then Google Workspace, and then Gmail. Here you can configure additional email settings such as sender authentication and email forwarding. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Godaddy domain to Google Workspace. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.